Today we're taking a look at Cardano's ADA coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see ADA go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into Cardano's ADA coin, guys. If you'd like to buy Cardano or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And well, we were in dire straits as we recently just fell through our upwards trend, as you can see over here, but Bitcoin has turned things around for us. It's shown strength along with all the other cryptos, and we have seen a pump. We've gotten back above that key point. We did hit a low though, of course, of over here at about 40 cents, but we have managed to shoot back up through not only our 20-day moving average, but also our 50-day moving average. So very, very significant stuff there. We're currently sitting at a value of 53 cents. So far today, though, we've gotten up to a high of 54.9 cents, so basically 55 cents, and things are looking very, very good for us. Interestingly enough, though, volume-wise, not much going on. There is not too much activity on ADA. And I think the reason for that is realistically, investors and traders are still very wary as to what is to come with regards to crypto. Given the overall market has been going down for months and months and months, the first sign of a recovery, a lot of people expect it to almost be a bit of a fake bounce, because we have seen that time and time again. Great example where we saw it over here, breaking through our 20-day moving average on the 30th of May, shooting up, but then coming crashing back down, as you can see there. Hopefully though, this time Bitcoin's showing some significant moves. It's broken its overall downtrend, and as a result, it should make other coins like Cardano's ADA coin start to shoot in an upwards direction. Good stuff. Straight away though, key point of support, clearly 50-day moving average, currently sitting at a value of 49.7 cents. So that is the key area that we really want to maintain at the moment. And ideally as well, as you can see, we start to see that 20-day moving average up. We want to see it cross above the 50-day moving average. That will be an indicator that the short-term trend has certainly changed, and we should see some more volume come in when we do start to see, of course, the strength start to play out within ADA itself. Really positive stuff there. Let's have a look at the RSI. And on the RSI, you can see we have shot up. We were only at the 17th of July at a value of 44.97. We're now at a value of 62.18. So that means even though there hasn't been too much volume, there hasn't been too much movement, it's basically been all buying movement, and we still have room to move upwards, as you can see here. I don't think we're going to cool off just yet. We are pulling back slightly at the moment, but I think we're going to see that start to fly up overall. MACD wise, let's have a quick look at that one. Bring that one up there. You can see another rejection of the 12-day EMA on the 26th day, and we started swooping back in an upwards direction, and I think that's why we fell out of our overall trend back over here on the 12th and the 11th of July. It's because people were expecting a cross of the MACD, and it slightly occurred, but it was minimal, and we rejected and we kept going up. Really positive signs and shifts in momentum starting to occur. So I'm hoping what we see is those lines move further and further apart from each other, obviously though in an upwards direction. Let's as well go to our hourly chart, because that's really where all the action is going to be happening at the moment. So as you can see, we are moving, and we've had a few nice little, I suppose, patterns form. You can see basically it's sort of a stair type pattern. So you go up, then you come down halfway. Once again, this occurs multiple times throughout this period, and you can see it basically repeating itself over and over again. This is a sign of a strong trend, because it means we're going up in value, but there is also consolidation and profit taking occurring, whilst then still maintaining an upwards direction. At this point in time, we are once again going through one of these small consolidation periods. I think we're going to hit this moving average here and then bounce straight back up. It's currently sitting at 51.8 on the hourly, so I think that is realistically a good support point from a day trading perspective. Looking very positive at the moment. I just want to go to the monthly chart to get a bit of a longer term view as well of what is actually going on at this point in time. Now, ignore obviously all the drawing, but as you can see, this is our first green candle in the past 3 months. We did see a green candle back over here in March, but that was, as we know, a bull trap and we came crashing back down. Now where we're sitting from a support perspective, that is major support and it looks like we're bouncing off it. And of course, right now we're moving, I suppose, in the right direction. So what is the overall target for Cardano's ADA coin? Well, I think it should be actually relatively quite clear. The aim for us is to keep moving upwards. And the next target from a resistance perspective is this mark here. It's at about 68 cents. So the target currently is to keep moving, I suppose, in that direction. As I mentioned, swoop up, I think we'll see a bit of a retraction and hopefully we see this sort of staircase movement continue, because that will really be where the strength comes in from a long to medium term perspective. We want to see solid moves, but we don't want to see crazy moves upwards like we did see over here. Crazy move, for example, on the 30th of May, we had a low and that was at 47. And we got to a high only just the next day at 68 cents. That is a big jump in value, 50% basically. We don't really want to see that. We want to see slow, consistent movements upwards, and we want to target that 68 cent mark. That wraps up today's analysis of Cardano's ADA coin. Guys, I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video as well, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.